I really need a toilet now.
Hey, you heard about the good news? Y'all sleeping on me, huh? Had a good snooze.
I think I need to wee again, Lauren.
I got a cute face, chubby waist, thick legs in shape, rump shaking both ways, make you do a double take. Planet rocker, showstopper, flow proper, head knocker, beat scholar, tail dropper, do my thing, mother.
I just want to clarify, I'm only wearing fake Yeezys, they are fake, because my white Converses got ruined by the rain the day we hiked Franz Josef, I think. And yeah, they haven't dried. It's been 3 days.
Chubby waist, thick legs in shape, rump shaking both ways, make you do a double take. Planet rocker.
Buttercup baby, just to let him down. Mess me around and the worst of all.
I got a cute face, chubby waist, thick legs in shape, rump shaking both ways, make you do a double take. Planet rocker, showstopper, flow proper, head knocker, beat scholar, tail dropper, do my thing, mother.
Wait for me! Wait for me!
I got a big stash, pocket full of cash, just seen a big old